Hey guys, today the cleaning ladies are coming, so I'm just going to fast forward to the part where it's cleaned, okay? All right, now guys, it's cleaned, so let's check out the rooms. Look at that. Wow, that's really nice. That's just so nice. They're really good. Look at that. Oh, guys, let's check out the restroom. It looks same old, but they cleaned it. Now let's check out my room, guys. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. How do they do it this good? Oh my God, look at that. Oh, it's slightly right.
Talagang binili mo pa. Gusto daw niya. Sabi siya magawa ko na rin.
And press stop.